Guys, good morning. Guys, fishing na naman tayo, guys. Guys, nakadali tayo ng trevally, guys. Bagong setup natin, guys. May bagong setup na naman tayo, guys. Nag-jig tayo ngayon. Yan, guys, ang laki, guys. Trevally, guys. Guys, yung ano natin, jig natin, 20 grams. Tapos yung ano natin, guys, 3,000 yung reel natin. Tapos yung ano natin, guys. Guys, good morning guys. Ruben Fishing Vlog. Paki-follow naman, guys. Lucky. Lucky, guys. Nakadali si Ruben Fishing Vlog. Yan, guys, oh, lucky trevally. Yan, guys, yun lang. Mamaya ulit. Ice. Pangulam na naman tayo, guys. Trevally. Bye-bye.